Hello everyone and welcome to DelphStack. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to configure Google Chrome to automatically open a specific website every time you launch the browser. Now the process is extremely straightforward, so without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. So first, we need to tell Chrome how to behave when it first wakes up. So what you do is, firstly, simply open your Chrome and then navigate to the three dots at the top right corner. And after that, simply click on Settings. Now in the left-hand sidebar over here, look for an option called On Startup. Click on it. Now you will see a few choices. By default, it might be set to Open the New Tab page, but we need to change that. And here is how to customize it. Just simply select the third bubble that says Open a specific page or set of pages. And now over here, you will have two ways to add websites. The first is Add a New Page. Over here, you have to type the exact website address or URL you want to add, and then just click on Add. And you can do this multiple times for different websites as well. Like, for example, if I add google.com, you simply type that over here, and then hit Add. And if you want, you can also add multiple pages right over here, like, for example, YouTube, and click on Add. And on Startup, both of the pages will open. So let's test that. Close Google Chrome completely, and then reopen Google Chrome, and as you can see, both the Google browser and YouTube will open up. Now go back to the settings. Go to On Startup, and if you want to delete any one of the pages, you can click on the three dots and remove the website. Now for the second option, if you already have a website page you want to open in a new tab right now, just click on Use Current Pages. And this will instantly save all the open tabs that you currently have as your startup list, as you can see right over here. And then it'll work the same as it did for the first option. So to test it, you can close Chrome and check it and see if it's working or not. So that's it. Now you know exactly how to open a specific page on your Google Chrome startup. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.